Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maya and I'm your English partner in your English learning journey. So friends, in today's video, I am going to discuss one of the most important factor which is related to English speaking. Well friends, I want you to test your knowledge of understanding English and speaking English. Yes friends, I want you to know how much English you can speak. Yes, if you are put in a situation or if you find yourself in a situation where you are required to speak in English. So, will you be able to handle that situation on your own, guys? Will you be able to speak that much English which is required? So that's why, guys, I'm saying this to you that you should test your knowledge of understanding English. That how much English do you understand and how much English you can speak by yourself. You know, friends, what happens to us? We know all the grammar rules. We can teach English to others. We can understand English. We can write in English very well. But when it comes to speaking in English, we don't find ourselves comfortable in speaking. So why it happens to us, guys? Because we have never tested our knowledge. We have never tried any method which can test our knowledge of speaking and understanding English. Friends, I know you want to speak English fluently and confidently, right? But what if you will not try to speak it? But what if you will not speak in front of anyone? Guys, you have to take first step of speaking in English. Yes, you don't have to wait that if you will get a situation, then you will speak in English. No, you have to look for the situations. You have to visit those places where you can test your knowledge, right? Where you get to speak in English, or you can say where you are forced to speak in English. Then you will come to know whether you can speak in English confidently or correctly or not. Guys, we attend so many tests theoretically. You know, we attend tests which are based on English grammar, online and offline also. But we don't test our knowledge of speaking. Yes, because we don't want to speak by ourselves until or unless we are forced to. But guys, it should not be done. It is not good for our growth, right, of speaking. Friends, if you want to become a good English speaker, then you have to take first step by yourself, right? You have to visit those places. You have to make a group of friends who are interested in speaking English. You should join those seminars. You should attend those seminars where you get a chance of speaking in English. Friends, you can learn English just by sitting at home, by watching a lot of videos, by reading books. Yes, you can learn English by yourself even, or by attending tuitions, classes, anything, guys. But guys, when you have to test your knowledge, then you will have to get out of your comfort zone. Then you have to give a chance, an opportunity to yourself, to your talent of speaking in English, guys. You have to do this because if you will not try this, then you will never be able to know your level of knowledge, right? That where do you stand? Friends, you don't have to take your English speaking practice just for granted. You have to try new techniques, new methods, new ways of improving your English. You have to learn English practically now, guys. Okay, you have learned English. You have learned a lot of theory, lot of sentences, advanced structures, everything. But now that time has come that you have to test your knowledge. And now it's up to you that where you go to test this knowledge. Whether you want to go online or offline. So guys, you can try both the ways. So here I will tell you one more method by which you can test your knowledge of speaking. You know what you have to do? You have to on your camera and you have to shoot a video of yourself. You can talk on any topic like me, okay? And you have to talk on that topic continuously as much as you can. You have to speak. You just have to speak and speak, guys. Okay. And then, after recording that video, you have to watch yourself, right? You have to find out your mistakes. By doing so, you will be able to find out that where do you stand, where your English stands. Guys, trust me, this method will definitely work on you. And moreover, you will come to know that what kind of English do you speak? I mean to say that what is your level of English speaking? Whether you are at your beginner stage or you are at your intermediate level. Well, friends, there are so many tests available on social websites. You can try those tests also. So, friends, by knowing your level of English, you will motivate yourself. It will boost your confidence, guys. Yes, and you will be able to tell others very confidently that you can speak in English very well, that you are a fluent English speaker. So friends, that's all for now. I will meet you in my next video. I hope you like this topic. And if you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, which is English Journey with Maya. Bye bye.